Certain woodworking tasks don't feel difficult at first. They feel unclear. You're looking at the plan, the diagram, the materials in front of you, and something doesn't fully connect. Not enough to stop you immediately, but enough to slow you down. So you push forward anyway. You measure. You cut. You try to follow what's there. And then somewhere along the way, things stop lining up the way they should. Not completely wrong, just off. And now you're stuck wondering what exactly went wrong, because on paper, everything looked fine. That's where a lot of woodworking frustration actually begins. It's not when something breaks. It's not when a joint fails. It's that moment of hesitation, when you're not fully sure what the next step is supposed to look like. And the problem is, most people assume that hesitation means they're missing skill. So they try to compensate. They double-check measurements. They reread the instructions. They look at the diagram again, hoping it suddenly makes more sense. Sometimes they even start over. But the confusion doesn't go away, because the issue usually isn't effort. It's structure. Most woodworking tasks are presented as a sequence of steps. Cut this piece. Drill these holes. Attach this panel. It shows up as hesitation before making a cut, as second-guessing a measurement that should be correct, as pausing longer than you expected between steps. Individually, those moments don't seem like much, but they add up. They slow you down. They break your momentum. And over time, they make the entire process feel heavier than it needs to be. Now here's where it gets more complicated. Because not all plans are built the same way. You're not stopping to interpret what comes next. You're not constantly checking if something feels right. You're moving forward with a sense of direction, not speed, necessarily. But clarity reduces friction. It allows you to focus on execution instead of interpretation, which is where most of the actual skill development happens. But when that clarity is missing, everything feels harder than it should.